One thing that a lot of buyers really need to be careful about these days is what you talk about while you're in the house. Almost all houses nowadays have, Ring doorbells and cameras and different things like that that are going to pick up your audio of what you talk about. And I have seen a couple of cases where I represented the seller, and the seller was actually sitting in their car parked next to a park down the street, listening to everything the buyers were saying while they were in the house. Sometimes that gives the seller an upper leg on the negotiations. If you're in the house talking about, oh my gosh, I just love this house and I have to have it, and I would go over list price or whatever. Well, now all of a sudden the seller knows what you're willing to do, and it weakens your negotiating position. Now, of course, we're in a strong seller's market, so oftentimes there's not a ton of negotiating that the buyer can do in terms of price. You've got to bring in your very strongest offer from the get-go anyway. But I would recommend keeping your conversation at a minimum and then discussing it outside, far enough away from the doorbell that it's not going to pick it up either.